Good day, students. Today we are going to discuss our writing section, and in particular in writing section we will be discussing letter writing. This is our second session of letter writing. In our first session we have done applications, and in this session we are going to discuss informal letters. Let us discuss what these formal and informal letters are. Children, letters are of two types. What are these two types? Formal letter and informal letter. Formal letters are those letters that we write to the principal of a school, a college or some institution, or some officials. This kind of letters, applications, we have already discussed, and this kind of letter you will be discussing in your senior classes. So this we have done. Today our focus is this informal letter. Now let us understand what informal letters are. Informal letters are the letters that we write to our family members or our relatives or our friends, and this letter also has a format. So we will discuss format now. What is the format of an informal letter? At first place, we write self-address in 3 lines. House number 46, Model Town, Chennai. Here you write house number, then you write area, and then you write city. It should come in 3 lines. Then leave 1 line blank, and then comes date. August 21, 2020. The method of writing dates we have already discussed in our previous session. Then again leaving 1 line here. Here comes salutation. Dear Suman. Here I am going to discuss a letter which we are writing to your friends. So dear Suman, this is called salutation. How you are addressing a person. Then comes the body of letter. Body of letter consists of 3 paragraphs. These 3 paragraphs, in first paragraph we ask or tell our well-being. Like we are happy and healthy, and we ask from Suman how she is feeling and her family members. Then in second paragraph we discuss the reason of writing the letter, the purpose, why we are writing this letter. And in the third paragraph we express our respect for elders and love for younger ones if there are in the family. And after writing these 3 paragraphs, in between these paragraphs you will leave 1 line blank after each paragraph. And after completing this body of the letter, we write this phrase, with love, if you are writing it to your friends or your cousins, and regards, with regards, if you are writing letter to your elders. And then leave 1 line here blank, here also 1 line blank, here also 1 line blank, and then yours truly, and then comes your name. So these points we have to keep in mind. Let us discuss. This is first point where you are going to write your address. This is second point where you will write date. Third is salutation, the name of the person whom you are going to write. Suppose you are writing this letter to your father. So here we will write dear Papa, right? Then comes the body of the letter in 3 paragraphs, 1, 2 and 3. And then comes this phrase, with love or with regards. Then complimentary clause, yours truly, and your name. This is 4th point, you can say, body of the letter. This is 5th point, with love or with regards. This is 6th point, yours truly, and your name will be 7th point. So these points we must keep in mind while writing an informal letter. Now I have a question for you. Children, the question is, you are going to celebrate your birthday next week. Write a letter to one of your friends who lives in other city, inviting him or her to your birthday party. Invent necessary details. Necessary detail means the date, the timings, and the place if you are celebrating your birthday somewhere. So these details you have to mention yourself. So now I will be discussing answer of this question. Here is the answer. See, self-address in 3 lines, same address I have repeated here. House number 46, Model Town, Chennai. Then I have left 1 line blank here. Then date August 21, 2020. Here leave 1 line blank and then dear, to whom you are writing a letter. Let us take up the name of Suman again here. Dear Suman. Now comes first paragraph. See, how are you? I am fine here and hope my letter finds you in the pink of your health. Pink of your health means you are healthy and hearty. So this is your first paragraph. In 3 lines or 4 lines you have completed this. Now before beginning with the second paragraph, we will leave 1 line blank here and we'll begin the second paragraph. Let us see what we have written here. You already know that my birthday is round the corner. Round the corner means it is coming very near. It falls on August 28 and I am going to throw a party. We always throw a party. You are invited to come to my place on August 28. The party will begin at 4 p.m. All our friends are coming. We shall have great fun together. So in this paragraph, you have mentioned the purpose of writing a letter. Now comes the third paragraph. Pay my regards to uncle and auntie. Uncle and auntie, the parents of your friend Suman. Pay my regards to uncle and auntie and love to your sister Chutki. Whatever name you can mention here. Then again leave 1 line blank. With love, because Suman is your friend. So with love. Then again leave 1 line. Yours truly and your name Rahul. So children, this is one sample letter. Your homework is you will draft this format in your notebook on 1 page and then on the next page you are going to write this letter. On your second page you will be writing this letter. This is your homework, and another question I will be sending you after this video and you will be writing the answer of that question. Thank you. Have a great day.